Hey everyone, Melissa here and welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited to be a guest designer for My Creative Scrapbook for the months of November and December. So it's November at the moment and we are working with a beautiful kit that has Vicki Boutin's Evergreen and Holly collection, which is Christmas. And I'm going to be working with this cut file that is exclusive to the Kit Club. If you're interested in the Kit Club, you can find the link below. It's based in the States and it is really awesome. Each month there are 4 kits and they are totally different, so they're not like add-on kits, they are completely different and they cater for a lot of different styles. Now if you know me, you know I love Christmas and I'm just really thrilled to be able to scrap some of last year's Christmas photos. Okay, so I am using the Christmas garland cut file. This is a free cut file and you get it if you subscribe to the kit. There is another cut file as well. I think you get 2 each month, and if you know me, you know I love using cut files. So I've just backed it with 3 of the papers from the kit and just gone with reds for the petals and a couple of different greens for the leaves. And here I'm just creating a mixed media background using the packaging technique and some Lindy's Gang magical shakers. The first one I used was very red, too red, and it looked like blood. So I've come in with another one, and this paler one has hidden colour in it, which is gold, and then I'm using some Lindy's magical powders just to add some more gold. I love how this looks. I'm splattering around the edge and on top of it, and I'm also gonna get the excess down with the packaging technique, and this just provides some interest behind my cut file. Otherwise it's very stark on a white cardstock background. So here I'm adding some craft foam. I buy this from a local craft shop. It's meant to be adhesive backed, but it doesn't seem to stick very well. It depends. Some of them are, some of them aren't. So anyway, I just add extra liquid adhesive anyway. And I don't like creating flat layouts. I love dimension. So I'm just doing this so that I can pop up the cut file, and that will enable me to tuck things underneath it. So I've got this photo of 2 of my 3 girls, and my oldest daughter had made some cookies and then she got the 2 little ones to come and decorate them. And the reason I ended the beginning of my intro so abruptly, if you've noticed that, my live talking, was because I said my photo had 3 of my girls in it, but it didn't. It's only got 2 of them. So I love these little envelopes that Vicki Boutin has designed. You get a whole sheet of them on a 12 by 12, and I know many of the other design team and guest design team have done the same thing as me. They're just begging to be cut apart. So I fussy cut them out. I have another layout where I use 3 of them, but I wanted to use another one again, and so I've just cut along the line, and that enables me to tuck some bits and pieces in, and I've popped up the bottom of the envelope just to give a bit of gap so I can tuck things. So just wanting to back my photo with some pattern paper, trying to decide what to go with. I don't know if I said, but this wasn't the first layout that I made, so that's why you're seeing lots of papers already cut into. And I've also fussy cut those stars off camera as well, off the same paper that I've used to back the petals of the flowers. So I'm just distressing the edge of my backed photo. I love doing that for interest, and adding some liquid adhesive and popping up the top half of my photo. So what am I doing here? Yeah, chipboard. I love chipboard. And I love Vicki Boutin, so it's a match made in heaven really. There's lots of beautiful bits and pieces on there. There's a focus on houses, and so the other cut file, I think it says Christmas at Home, which works really well with this kit. So this is the ephemera pack. I may have combined the 2 packets together, I'm not sure, but I think I did, because there's another journaling tag type ephemera pack. So I'm just going through here and trying to work out what is going to fit with the theme of my photo, which is the baking and the kids. So that little gingerbread man is perfect. There's some cut aparts that you can cut yourself, and I'm distressing lots of the edges. There's some tickets which you can pull apart, which are lovely, and there's journaling prompts like that shopping list, but I just love it without any journaling on it. And I'm just layering into this little envelope, and I just adore the way it turns out. This piece of sprig of leaves and think berries. That is also a piece that I've fussy cut off a sheet of paper. I think I cut it for something else and didn't end up using it, so it was perfect just to tuck into here. And then I'm lifting up lots of the bits and pieces with my pop dots just for more dimension. Like I said, I love dimension. So didn't cut much out of this video because it's so short, so you're getting to see my whole process, but those larger pieces there, they were from the journaling ephemera pieces. So I'm thinking I need something else, so I'm going through to work out what's going to work. I'm not wanting anything too big because the scale will be wrong. And then I found this packaging tag from those journaling ephemera pieces, and I thought it would look really, really cute just tucked underneath here. And so I've distressed the edges. I love the detailing on it. Vicki always has such beautiful, authentic pieces in her collections. Adding some twine from my stash, and then adding these dimensional adhesive just to pop up the end of that tag. And I'm loving how that twine has just fallen like that, so I'm gluing it down to keep it in that position. You could also tie it in a bow. Just going through these bits and pieces, you get so many ephemera pieces, so I'm wanting to get as much as I can on here as possible, but in the end I'm loving those fussy cut stars, and I don't want to forget to use them either. Trying to make some decisions here. Found a chipboard piece that says cookies, so of course I want to get that down, and then adding my journaling. Now I think I do add some more of those stars. I'm not sure if I add them on or off camera, or maybe I don't, I can't remember. I made my layouts in such a hurry because my kit was so slow to be shipped to New Zealand, but yeah, in the end I'm just so happy with that I got it, and I got it in time in the end. So there is another cookie star ephemera, like a cookie. It is a cookie. I'm sorry, it's been a long time since I've done a process video. I think you can probably tell in my editing and voiceover. But yeah, just adding some black splatters with some interest to break up the white background, and that is my final layout. It turned out really cute, and like I said, I love this kit. The details to the kit club are below, so thank you so much for watching.